guys, I'm Jen Olmstead and I'm the co-founder of Tonic Site Shop. And I just wanted to pop in today and share a little bit about our experience with Interact because, spoiler alert, we love it. We actually ran an Interact quiz as part of our recent launch of our new website collection. And the fun fact is that we actually decided to do it like a week before launch, which I don't recommend. And we're like, you know what, this is probably not going to happen. But as a designer, I've helped set up Interact quizzes for several of my clients and have seen their amazing results. And we're like, you know what, if we can make it happen, let's go for it. So in the week prior to launch, we wrote our quiz and I began drawing up some designs for our results pages. And the night before, we got the quiz up expecting very little, but just happy to have it up. Our quiz is called the What's Your Brand Cocktail Quiz because our site designs are all cocktail themed. And to our absolute amazement, our quiz just performed incredibly well. We've had it up on our site for about a month and a half now, and we've generated over 1,000 leads for our list, making it more successful than any other opt-in we've ever run so far. Completely exceeded our expectations, and people love it. As a designer, I think one of my favorite parts about the process is that I could set up these incredible, really well-designed results pages that feel really on brand, and that's something that I think most quiz companies don't offer that Interact does. The other thing that I thought was incredible is when I was working on this project and then quizzes for my other clients, when I interacted with the Interact support team, they were amazingly helpful to the extent where I was like, hey, I really wish that I could do this with one of your designs. And they're like, oh, sure, we'll just go ahead and add that to the code for you right now, which that's not a thing. But it is with Interact. So we've been a huge fan of working with them. We are really excited about continuing to brainstorm new quizzes, and we highly recommend adding a quiz to your site. And don't forget those custom result pages.